To add bank fields in the Xero counting software, start by logging into your account and navigating to the accounting menu. From there, click on Bank Account, and then select the Add Bank Account option. Next, enter the name of your bank in the search bar and choose it from the results. You will then be prompted to enter your bank details, including your online banking credentials, and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. Once your account is linked, click on Accounting and then Bank Account again, and select the Manager Account button next to the account you just added. In the window that appears, you should find an option to set up bank fields. If your bank is eligible, click on this option and follow the prompts to authorize the connection between the software and your bank. After setting up the bank fields, you can refresh the feed by clicking on the Manager Account option and selecting Refresh Bank Feed from the box that appears. This will update your bank feed, providing you with the most current information.